Bye-bye. 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 Wow, look at all these pretty dresses. They're so beautiful. I want to try this one. Me too. Wow, you look amazing. You too. Ready to shine? Yes, let's go. Together forever. Oh, wow. My sweet darlings, we love you so much. Make way! Duck incoming! Look, my real jet ski is here. This is real skill. Try keeping up. My turn. Move! Move! Rumi, you're too clumsy. Not surprised. Please like and sub. Help me beat Mira and Zoe.
Rumi, stay there and wait for me!
A yacht from Rumi? No. Wow! 2 Rumis? I am the real Rumi. Come play with us, Zoe. Which one is real?
Only the real Rumi can open this door.
Too easy. I did it! Let me in! Is this allowed? It's so crazy!
What are you doing? I got the key. See?
What? The door's ruined! I can't afford this!
You left me! Why did you go out without me? Sorry, Mira!
We forgot to book your room!
Zoe! Then you play with me! Okay, Mira, but put down the axe first! Just a little glue, Rumi. The rolling pin isn't leaving your hand. Why? It's stuck to my hand! Rumi is in trouble. Jinu, let me show you something.
Okay! Rumi, that was incredible! How did you do that?
Now I will glue your left hand. What will you do? Oh God, it's stuck again. Let's see what you do now.
Rumi, you're too fast!
Ouch! It hurts! I'm so good at this. Don't let her sub. Let Rumi stuck.
Who did this? Take this!
What do we do? Don't worry. Let me handle this bear. Take this! No hope! The bear is too strong! Try another way. Watch me. Hey, big guy. Just follow my lead. The dumb bear! It's humiliated me! Rumi, we all failed. It's over! We're going to die! A final photo for Jinu. We survived the bad bear? Like it's a perfect tea? He's so cute! I love that golden hair.
Mira, help! Rumi's obsessed with golden hair.
Really? Whatever. I've got this.
Ready for my golden charm?
I want to lie on that fluffy golden chest. I know! Relax, you just need a chest hair upgrade.
Jinnu, golden star!
The collar looks perfect on him.
Mira! Color!
Of course! And these come free!
I'm completely ready this time!
Who are you, Golden Moth?
Golden hair! Fluffy! Chest! Your ideal type!
Jinnu, are you crazy? I talked to Zoe about her new dog, not you guys. Jinnu, you're a total love puppy! Oh, why is my golden boy so sad?
Buy it!
Mystery, fine, I'll buy it!
Really? I got one! Mystery! Damn! Respect! Buy it!
Fine, buy it!
Jinmu PS5! Thanks, bro! I get it! Buy it!
Fine, get up.
Yes!
Abby! Run! Go home! Watch out.
The devil card warns you, you have big trouble today unless you avoid red.
I can beat this. Sorry, Mira, I can't see you today. What? Pasta salad safe. No! Safe. I'm exhausted. Wait, cake? Cake heals everything. Red cord? I escaped everything but the cake? How would I know that? Told you. Like and subscribe, help Rumi's laundry. Hands off! This dress is mine! Mira took the dress you picked for me.
What?
The best one! You two always get the spotlight, not today!
She deserves the best dress! Wedding stress showdown, now! Fine! The winner keep the dress.
Wedding Stress Showdown starts now! Only the winner keeps the dress. Here comes Mira. Oh my, she really is a queen!
Perfect, bravo! 0-0!
Next up, Rumi. Wow, she's a dazzling Barbie princess.
No! 10 points for Rumi!
It's your turn now, audience. Who takes the dress?
Please hit like to help Rumi.
She will be fine. Just subscribe for Mira. Jinnu, your head is leaking tissues. What's wrong?
Honestly, no clue.
Oh, tissue!
What happened? I feel so tired!
Oh, tissue!
My power. It leaves with the tissues.
Enough! He's drying out! Tissue! Hang on, Jinnu. I'll fix you. Hurry. I'll take all of it. Keep the change. It won't work! Help! Please like and subscribe. Help Jinnu get better.
Thank you, Rumi.
Anytime. Your tissues are adorable.
I said paint! Don't stop!
You villain! Why am I fixing your failure?
Make way! The queen is here!
Show me my red roses.
Be quiet, Rumi, unless you want trouble. Your Majesty, the red roses are ready! No, don't touch it!
Wait! Is the red melting? Who ruined my roses? Off with his head!
Rumi did it! Look, red paint on her dress!
Off with her head.
Hit like and subscribe. I don't want to be tea.
Rumi, wait! I am coming to save you!
Stop. Rumi is innocent. I know the truth.
So many red brushes. Bibby soldier, huh?
Jinnu, your house is flooded? And what's there? My secret weapon! You'll see soon!
The Pearl Digging Finals! Rumi or Jinnu? Who will be the champion? The winner gets the pure gold yacht, worth $5 billion. Found another one. Easy, huh?
Too few, Rumi! You're gonna lose! Yeah, buddy! Eat more! Go! More! The golden yacht is waiting for me!
Cheater Jinnu! Time to pay! Watch this! Too big to lose. Jinnu's gonna freak out. So shocking, Jinnu! The buckets are taller than me! such a huge pearl, Rumi! Jinu's tiny one looks like trash! Your turn, everyone! Comment for the winner, Jinu or Rumi!
Extra soft in the house. Look at her. She is a total joke.
Oh!
Chef Rumi, go!
Chef Rumi is not on the menu. Round 2, lobster. Who's the boss now?
Wait for me! I'll fight back with lobster!
My steak is the winner. I will be the champion.
Not but that.
It's not over! Chef Rumi is here!
Who let Rumi in? Who?
All right, just one bite. Interesting. Didn't expect that.
Please like for Rumi! Subscribe for Mira!
Rumi's so adorable. And I'm just hiding here taking photos. I'm a coward.
Poor Jinu, let me help you.
Who are you? I'm a dog now? Oh, I've got an idea. Rumi, here I come.
Oh my gosh, the love ball coming!
Jinu, magic time's over. The rest is on you.
Rumi is touching my head. She likes me.
You were the dog!
Yeah, I ruined everything.
That you know! Next time, just walk to me.
Get out. This is mine. This golden vase belongs to a rich man like me.
Damn, Jinu! I saw the golden vase first! Huh? It's drinking the puddle!
Who did this to my bottle? You're fired.
I'm taking this home, the magic vase. All rubbish! And in my bottle! Clean, clean, clean!
What a trash bomb is. I am throwing it away.
Rumi, run! Our house set fire! It's over! Our home is done! Don't worry, I can handle it! Come on! Into the bottle! I will stop all this fire! Rumi, you are our hero! The fire is out. Why still come here?
My hand is burning. Why can't I throw it away?
Sorry, Rumi. You belong in the trash.
And Mira, you are made for skiing.
Jinu, don't go!
Mira! This place is perfect. Like you. Rumi, why are you here? Go away, dirty Rumi! Do not follow me! What? Rumi, no, stay back! Open the door! She's gone! Let's go skiing, Mira!
No, Mira! The match I saw!
I'm so cold. I've lost all hope.
Rumi, why are you here?
Rumi! You put me in the white top! I'm so sorry, Rumi! You saved me!
It's okay.
I want to see Rumi wear this dress. I can't wait to see Mira in this dress. Zoe will look so cute in this. Time to get ready, girls. It's showtime. Try it, Zoe. This dress is made for you.
No! I refuse to wear this! It is too much trouble!
I built Zoe Land for you. Wear the dress to own it.
This is so romantic, Mystery! I'll wear it! Mystery, how do I look in this dress?
Wow, Zoe, you look absolutely adorable. Mira, I can't wait to see you wear this.
Stupid Abby, stop dreaming that this is not my style.
What if I give you this Harley Davidson? If you wear that dress?
Ah! It's so cool! Forget my style, give me the dress! Surprised, Abby? I dominate every style I touch.
Rumi, now it's your turn.
I will show only when the video hits 100,000 likes and 10,000 subs. Do I look graceful enough for you?
No! You two cannot enter!
Why is Mira in?
Because beginners need protective gear. It's the rule.
2 rookies without gear. You two are gonna eat ice real soon. So, bring my full gear. Big show time. I'm coming, Rumi! Wait for me! Rumi, your gear has been delivered. Showtime! Seriously? You two are really insane.
What? Move, we're coming through!
I can't even bend now!
Whoa, you two are way too much. Just go in. Wear this? It's literally a balloon.
Watch how pro skate. Like and subscribe if you love Rumi's look.
Rumi, get up! We are going to Disney!
Disney! Stop the car! Forget Disney, Rumi. Your tooth is mine. I want Disney! No dentist!
Stop, Rumi! Stop, Rumi! Stop, Rumi! Stop, Rumi! Stop, Rumi! Stop, Rumi! Got you, finally!
Stop them! So brave, Rumi. Ice cream time. My golden teeth can eat sweets forever.
Stop, Rumi!
Look, my My felt house is so amazing! This candy house is so adorable!
Rumi, your house looks rough.
And so do you! You two don't understand, but I do.
So fluffy!
Quick! Run to Rumi's stone house! Zoe and Mira are in danger! Rumina, open the door! I can't open the gate! The zombies will get in! Please like and sub! Save our lives! Zoe, Mira, catch! Rumi, you saved us! The zombie's climbing up! Take my braid! But never touch my friends. Rumi, your hair? For best friends, it's worth it! I hate this! I'm done! Wow, did you make this? So incredible! Please, I need you help me cook! Gino will be here in 10 minutes. Look at that messy hair, you little curl! Gino, I knitted this for you, by myself.
Rumi, you are so thoughtful. I love it.
I'm glad you like it.
Wow, this smells amazing.
Of course it does. I cooked it.
Rumi, are you free now? I'll tell you something.
So fancy, I feel like a queen. Now is my time.
Rumi, you look beautiful today.
I'm the luckiest girl in the world.
Will you marry me, Rumi?
Rumi, help!
What's going on?
You can only save one.
Rumi, please! No! Pick me! Go away! Get lost! This treasure is mine! Please like and sub! Let Rumi save me!
Stay still, Rumi. I can handle this.
I can walk, Juno.
I know, but I like carrying you.
Hey! Big guy, chase me!
Gino, no!
Hope you can fly! Enjoy the drop!
Gino, you scared me to death. Welcome back. Oh my god! Jinyu, where are you? Help!
Rumi, I can help. My hypnosis makes everyone except Ginu appear to you as a banana. Do it now!
Sure, focus.
A banana selling bananas? The hypnosis works too well.
Banana circling King Kong? He eats bananas!
A banana slipped on a banana? My world is broken! Enough bananas! Ginu, where are you? Found you!
They said my body's made for coaching. They want me on the team.
Come on, let's go.
Rumi, what's wrong?
Too many bananas! I can't find Zoe to undo this hypnosis! Huh?
Ginu! Ginu, ice cream! What? It's cheating!
Want this? Track boy?
Rumi!
Ta-da!
Hands off!